In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your orders on Temu. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, checking your purchase history can sometimes feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, because today we'll make sure that this process is as easy as pie. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently scrolling through your purchases without a hint of confusion. Now let's dive right in. First, grab your device of choice and open it up. We're going to head straight to Temu. This can typically be found by opening your preferred browser and typing in the website URL in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you're seeing. The layout might feel a bit overwhelming at first, with its vibrant colors and multiple tabs, but don't worry, we're focusing specifically on getting to your profile today. Now, the next thing you're going to do is locate the profile section. This is commonly represented by a small icon, often resembling the silhouette of a person, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Go ahead and give that icon a click. Doing this will open a drop-down menu with several options. This is where you'll find your orders, among other things like account settings and wish list. But today we're all about those orders. Click on your orders, and there you have it. You're now on your orders page. This page is where Temu records all the magic that happens whenever you make a purchase. Here, you'll see a section labeled All Orders. It's neatly designed to give you an overview of your purchase history, allowing you to browse through your past transactions. On this page, you might notice they provide filtering options. This is super helpful if you're hunting for a specific order or just want to see what you bought with a particular account. It's a fantastic way to keep track of your shopping habits and maybe even remind you of that incredible deal you snagged a while back. Take a moment to explore these options. You might find them more helpful than you anticipated. A little tip from me to you: keeping an eye on this section can really help in managing your budget effectively. After all, knowing what you've ordered and when those packages are supposed to arrive can save you from unnecessary stress and even help you to plan future purchases a bit more strategically. And just like that, you're all done. See, accessing your Temu orders was simple and straightforward, wasn't it? It's amazing how a little navigation know-how can go a long way in improving our online shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Temu. Remember, the better you know the platform, the more efficiently you can make it work for you. Until next time.